cut. If working this one, you're lucky.
I'm feeling like I'm lucky today.
You're lucky today. If I'm working this one.
I pray that I'm lucky today. If you fix for me, I will give you a good tip. Don't worry.
Because this one PCB is very expensive.
Yes.
If you buy.
The motherboard is the most important.
Yeah, motherboard. This is the same heart.
Hard disk.
Heart of the EC. Heart of the EC, the compressor. That is the heart.
No heart, no use.
No use. That's why. Magic. I-checkin natin to dahil may ano siya dito, nagkaroon ng short circuit dito sa the body of the copper pipe, the pressure switch. So we will try and we will check this pressure switch is working or no. So we will try it, we will connect, see what happened. Okay sir, you go downstairs.
Okay.
Okay.
Drink your water, huh?
Okay sir.
Drink your water.
Yes. So, itong brand na to, ano tong brand na ito? Gibson. Ito made of Saudi. Yeah, made in Saudi Arabia by Aliza. The brand of unit Gibson. So may nakita tayong we will find the problem here. This one, no? This one, the wire burn out, touching here this copper. So we will see if not become problem here the motherboard. Hope so, no have problem. We will try. Now I tell this client, ay ano natin na i-on, i-try natin kung anong mangyari, kung gagana o hindi. Sana gumana siya dahil natutuwa siya na may nakita tayong may nakikita tayong problema. Kapag kapag gumana raw to, ay siya sa atin, ibig sabihin pabuya. Yan ang sinasabi. So subukan lang natin kung gagana ang compressor. Dahil nagtitrip siya namamatay. Yan iisip ko, ito yung problema. Ayan, ito yung board na to. Nilinisan natin, binabrush natin. Baka sakali na wala siyang problema. Ayos naman, wala naman siyang putol. Wala naman, ayos naman. So maghihintay lang tayo na gumana to. Ito yung problema nito, high pressure switch. Nagkakaroon ng shorted dahil dumidikit dito sa copper pipe ng suction line. These two wire, the pressure switch touching here in the copper pipe. Ayan, no? So sinasabihan na natin yung kliyente na papaganahin para magkaalaman na sana walang problema yung board niya. Guys, ayun na, oh, gumana na, oh. Ayos, success yung ano natin, yung trabaho natin. Ngayon ang problema lang, ito lang yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na this is a problem. There is a shortage in the body of the copper pipe, the suction line. Now it's working now, so it's cool. Now walang problema yung board natin, okay na. Tapos ang pressure natin, ayun, ayos ang pressure natin, no? Ayun, nag-ano pa, nag-activate pa yung ano. So success yung ano natin. Ayun, wala nang problema yung board natin. Ito lang nagkaroon ng problema, nagkaroon ng short. Ayun, titipan lang natin yon, titipan lang natin to dahil para hindi makakaroon uli ng problema. Dito lang na yung salarin. Sige guys, maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye. Ayos na, oh, gumagana na, oh. Ayan, gumagana na yung ano natin, yung unit natin na ni-repair natin, Gibson. Yung first time kong na-encounter to, itong model na to, itong brand na to. So gumagana na siya, kita nyo, oh. Gumana na yung condenser fan. Ayan, malamig na. Ayan, patayin natin tapos ikakabit na natin yung cover. Okay guys, bye bye.